Kublai pi baro. Piape ya kasi channel but ni wan lam shapi sa shisin pat ya ka thup khubor jo kani ka tio menta. Shobang pensong ki khubor ngin pensong shai pi ki phangmakonsan. Onye kren halor upod usam ka ILP but HNLC but kiwe hakapor bawan Amit Shah. Priyanki Singh hapo ka MDA ya ka rai jong ka sarkar. Kabam sab kadon haman lang ki department balik kinotang yaw James Ong Usaleng. Mahamu Modi yaki Menteri Rangba halor ka jingwan ka third wave ne ka klam ka balai. Thu ka tanat klau ban pendrius pa yaki klau ki betap. Snok tilang ki nong yalam niam ban pen songko yaki pai ba. Na ying on pen shisha ki nong yo bai bam temmen ba yo pisa. Daki spangut ki pai ba lem bad UMDC ka mau hati kimi ban maramot ya ka surok jari sha tarai. Karai jong ka Supreme Court ka bansa kan mau halor ka jing kini port ka Assam bad Meghalaya. Bad kiwe di ki kubor. Ngene pai metash ki kubor bnia. Menteri Rangba ka jela Conrad ke sama ulapan pau ba ka jela Meghalaya ka lalong ka bakre banyak ren halor ki babon teli kimat ha ka jingwan Amit Shah shanong ba shlong ha ka arpsaw ba ka arpsan terik mentau benai.
Menteri Rangba ka jela ukonat sangma ulaong ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kanyak ren yaki babun kimat ha ka jingwan Amit Shah shilong ha ka arpsaw wat arpsan terik mentau benai bat kimat ki kentup yo pod usam bat ka Assam ka inline permit ka jing terwaya sok HNLC bat kiwe.
Many issues are there on the cards. Definitely, we will be discussing about the boundary issue with the Honourable Minister. We will also be discussing about many of the developmental issues that are there. The Honourable Minister, Home Minister being the Chairman of NDC, so we will also be discussing about that. He is also very keen to discuss about the afforestation and conservation work, especially in Sora area. So we'll be discussing about that. All the chief ministers of the Northeast have been invited, so I'm sure that there will be some agendas that will be very common to the whole of Northeast that may be discussed. Apart from that, obviously state-specific issues, including our issues of the 8th schedule, issues of the 6th schedule amendment, issue of the ILP, all these matters will also be discussed with the Honourable Minister.
Kaseng HSPDP kalai kindu ya ka Garo Hill State Movement Committee banyak ren halor ka jingdawa ban yo no lakajong ka jila kata ka Khasi Jaintia State bat ka Garo Land bat kila rai bakinya be chaprang bat kani ka jingdawa. Ubapang yang abai krem klap thai khubor uloong baya kani ka jingdawa baro atli kini giseng kila rai ban ya chaprang da ka bapharu da ka dor khas ka sarkar India.
Yakani ka movement nagaliang jong ni menin ha ka meeting wala dap namar pangilayeng untuk nadu bastang ringkat ke atli ki party ngilayakren ba ngilayo pan ya pakhalang ba ngilarai kumi kebening kong ba mangi ka HSPDP ba ka GHSMC ka bakan thup ya ka GNC badi babun giseng bahalang hapo jongka bangin don biang laling ni teng biang ya ka jing ya trilang jongi HSPP bat ka GHSMC nakabenta banteng ya ka ni ka jingdawa ya ka state movement ngiliakan ru bangin sa ya kendu biang ya ki atli ki grup kijongi bangin form ya ka coordination committee bagata ka coordination committee kindon ki kam ki bapongsan ki bangin sa tena ko kabar pat nilai rai kubni paya ka jing dawa ya ka nika state Hasinja state batka garulang nilai rai lang ba ngin yasakang da ka bangin don ka join memorandum kabangin pak sa kasukar India. Kata ka dega rai ka ba? Kamalay pat ngindon pat hadin bangaliyo ika coordination committee jong kini ki atli group dari ki movement jong hi bang la don ki ya friend ka ba shai ba ngila don ke ji penbaik bat ngila don ru ke ji ra
Uba pang yang ula pensyai, bayaki jala la thaw ha kanong rim juga ketin ka thelin. Kumta upan pau baki garo baki khasi jaitia, kide ki artali ki jait ben real ki badan la ka jong kanong rim juga ketin ka thelin, kariti ka dustur, karukam bat khando bat kumta ter. Nambar kata ki dei hok ban yo ela ka jong ka jing ithu.
Pi abangi pa ya jing thawi ki state hagarin dia. Kabangi lek kum ka framework jong ka constitution. Nilak ba ya ki jala Balori India, nadu basdam, la thawi ki jala, haka nongrim jong ka ketin ka thali. Yung ka linguistic state. But kita feedback naka ka constitution do feedback ka constitution naka article argundai. Yung ba banyo ya kata ka jing bangido na jong ka ketin ka kerpang mo. Ka jai beri ka kerpang. Ka base ya ka language, ka script ka culture. Kaba ngidon kaba ka sarkar India kan ise te ngibu kain kata kecil berkat hato mangi kum ki afli ki jai benri hako ka mega ya ngihun mo bandong mo tang kata ka state mega ya te khang ban identify lagi padang pene ka hok riti ke jongi na mar ki jai benri afli ngidon ka jong ka norin jo ka tin ka thali ka riti ka dustu ka bisa ka khada ka long try khno ka siat misu thu ngidon ka jong ka hok long try bat ka jing dan dustur lah macam. Tidak mah kata ni dah kau ini dustur, mo. Om dah itu ngilek ke state Meghalaya, sejauh ngilek ke kasih yang state dah ke HSPDP, lah ni dah ke GHATC, ke GHSMC dah ke bentar ke Garulan, dah ke bagi ngilek Kemudian dah kau ini ke spirit bila, mo. Ni apa ni kena ke one spirit. Ngilok pun kau ini ke yin, bentar ngilok ke kun, anda bagi kun ke he. Ini kuat bagi don orang bayi.
Hakabede bagi siap pembeli upur usam berkejala asam ubaki pipang yang ulang badan kaman kami janai biang iki kor kisla kibrarim. Kumta kaseng ke kerpat ek sorkar bagi ban thauno ar ke komiti ban pej halor kani.
Ai bagi jik thok so shift ke ni. Ba. Ni hab tan kam hi ban kwi biang iki kor ki bala pana du miswa. Lagadai ni kisim, lagadai ni discouncil, mo. Lagadai ni try kindo. Dan ni nak notification ko kita nak state. Bangin riluk ya kini, revisit ini kikot, jadi bangin dah dong ke consultative committee, bangin dia kini janai ini kikot. But bangin dia pun baru galak poin usah permanent settlement, bangin nom bialam apa sih?
Kiseng bapher kilap pediang ya ka rai jong ka sarkar halor ka jingthung ya ka jing tokit ka ba on clear daw nong bishar ubala shong thai halor ki kanram ki bami hapo katanat boarding bar rukum jo ka jing pentrai kam ya ka scheme subhagya ka ban pentrai kam sha ki thai nong kandong
Ki parti bapher kila priang sobha ya karai jong ka sarkar halor ka jingthung ya ka jing tokit ban khli daw nong bishar bala shong thai halor ki kanram ha ka tanat boarding kintup ya ka jing pentrai kam ya ka sobhagya scheme ne ka jing ai boarding sekinong kandong halor upur usam ke jingelang kalasanya hau menteri ramba banyak keren ban menteri ramba ka asam ke jingelang kala keren ru ban penkre ya ke jingwan menteri korbari wa Amit Shah Shillong kene galong kat kum ke jinge keren bat ki presiden jong ki parti ki badan ha ke MDA ki badan lang ha ke jingelang menta ke sni ka khanru tere unai tung arajar arway.
So very satisfied. We have deliberated a lot of issues regarding the important issues of the people of our state.
Okay, so
See, actually, regarding that change of portfolio, we had a collective, discussion among all the parties. But since the government had already put in place the inquiry, everything will be looked into. As alleged, irregularities, mismanagement, the committee will give us all information. But there is no discussion to remove or to change the portfolio.
so the
The report of the committee will come out and we will look into that report. That's all.
and what was the topmost agenda today? Topmost agenda of the meeting?
Actually, many issues like border issues, like we call like a social welfare issue, like the so-called what I mentioned MECL issue. We have discussed a lot.
Okay. So are you satisfied?
We are satisfied. because the committee, the inquiry, independent inquiry will give more, information. Again, we will sit. Again, we will discuss the outcome. Actually, today's meeting, we are expected to hold meeting, if possible, each man or at least once a man, so that we have the opportunity to speak, to discuss, and to look into the matter.
I'm happy to inform that the committee has already been constituted to study on these allegations. The allegations with the Sobhagya, the allegations on the food scam, and the boundary dispute. So, looking forward with the Chief Minister is visiting tomorrow. There is a meeting with the Chief Minister of Assam to discuss further and to solve this problem once and for all. So these are the major points that were discussed today.
We're seeing that time and again corruption charges are being leveled against.
No, always we have been discussed this from day one when we have formed the MDA. We have discussed this from day one, as I mentioned just now. We have discussed also the same topic a few minutes back in the meeting. Well, let us wait for the outcome of the report. This is my submission. I would not like to say much at this point of time. We will let the inquiry be completed and they will submit the report. And whoever involved, if found guilty, we have already discussed with the Chief Minister that a person should be punished and no one should be spared. No, at this moment I don't see anything of that kind of a situation. Let us wait for the report. Let us wait for the inquiry report, which we have already set up. The MDA has already set up the inquiry committee. So we'll wait on that. I would not like to comment anything on his removal.
Kalau full meeting, we had a meeting today with all the party president, with the CM as chairman of the MDA. So we have discussed so many issues. There is a discussion with the visit of the Honorable Home Minister, and we have discussed about the this Sobhagya scheme, and we have discussed with the social welfare and others important also. So that's all. We have discussed thoroughly with all the issues. Everyone has given their opinion, their view, and the chairman, the CM, has taken a note. So I think he will brief to the press also. That's all.
And from your party,
Yeah, I have view with that agenda which has given to us. Agenda number 1 regarding with the visit of the Home Minister. Then number 2 relating with this Sobhagya scheme, another thing with the MECL. Then number 3 with this boundary, interstate boundary dispute, and then social welfare and others important matters.
Lots of issues regarding the environment, regarding the. I have raised about the school children facing the lots of problems during the what do you call this one, the online classes and then those children who are not having the what do you call them, the smartphones and all, and those farmers who cannot afford to buy. So I requested at least if you could give the way, during last government they had given this tablet for like class 12 and also. I've requested on that basis if you can provide, at least, I'm not saying 100%, but at least to few students like class 9, class 10, like that, at least smartphones, maybe the lowest rate or maybe the low rate you can say. So the government, the Chief Minister himself has told us that he will look into this matter.
Regarding the Sobhagya scheme, that was one of the agendas that we discussed here.
Yeah, we have got that one. And then it was very clear also. The 30,000 households which was not, been able to cover. It was by the RGGBY. So it was from the previous government, you can say, from 2000. It was supposed to be finished in 2013, 14, like that. RGGBY, after that you came, after that came, and then now Saubhagya. So whatever we have got the report from right now, they're saying that it's already 100%, and then the Saubhagya especially. So whatever is left out is from this RGGBY DD.
So was there any discussions on the alleged scams in the state and the demand for the removal of the...
There was no as such actually today. It's about the environment, about the schools, and about some issues about the what do you call this one? The border. That's what. Nothing much.
So there was no discussion about this scam, the Saubhagya scheme scam?
A little discussion was there, but it was highlighted when since already inquiry committee has been given. So after the inquiry committee will give us the light. Then
Are you satisfied with this committee?
Today.
Are you satisfied with this inquiry committee that's been instituted by the state government?
Yeah, I think so, because we have not seen the any performance of this inquiry committee yet. So how can you just judge it before even raise any report before having?
There was also a demand of CBI into this alleged scam, sir.
Now what we can see is that there's a lot of demand for the CBI inquiry, no doubt. What we can see is that since we have already put up the inquiry, if we are not satisfied with the inquiry report, then only we can ask for the, let us go line by line, one by one. I think that will be better.
Yeah, it went well. It went well.
Are you happy that this is being done at least?
Yes, there are a lot of deliberation, and then it's open. Nothing secret.
So did you talk about environmental clearance, because that is one of the major things?
Yeah. We talk about environment lots. Lots.
Kaan syodo amasi na Assam kamkta, reke ike bakta kadike jingkhayi masi sha Bangladesh. Yakane lakrendo ba Ernest Maury, President jong kaseng BJP Meghalaya. Uba Maury ulapan pau ekani habalakali ke eke jingsngau jung kumunongelam ke BJP ha Meghalaya, habaka sarkar BJP ha Assam kelawan ra ek bil bentet lakam nibu kendon yake jingsyo masi ha Assam.
That law is applicable in Assam, not here in our state.
But don't you think it will affect the transportation and...
No.
No, we talk about transportation of cow through Assam.
No, it will not affect.
Because according to the...
Till today, I think whatever the cow has come from different state to our state, we are not consuming here. It went and supplied to Bangladesh.
But
That's a fact. If all the cow that transport through Assam to our state, today the price of the beef, it should be only 200 rupees per kg. But this, everybody know that all the cow is supplied to Bangladesh.
Kajing Slam ban pendep yaka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme kalapan long yaka ban kieu ha kajing luting sep bat ka sarkar jilla kalaha ban mangtam ka pisah do 2,000 kelor tingka.
Menteri Ketanat PHI ubah renekton lingdok tangkar ula pentip bakatanat kakwa ban pendep ya kani ka projek haswa ban kut uniusnem. Henry na kajing ki jang kaklam covid khat khandai kani ka projek kalasyak ta hadu kata bat kumta kani ketanat kadang wat ekilat kilenti ban penklo ya kajing terai khnang banyo pendep no yaka. Ubah renekton lingdok tangkar ula pentip ru ba prapo nak sisma kakam la ban pendep bat kibasa menta kilong satang katukat ni kikam kibakatanat kahap ban wat lat ban pendep ika hakapor balabu. Kuman pentip ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 kadon jing themu ban ai omba mumdi sakinong song snong jong ganong ba Shillong ya kani ke projek la themu ban pendep ha ujiliu jong unus na bamenta bat kani ke projek la menjor dak sarkar pedeng ha ka jinglut ke balong sispa khandai phulai pon sampok lo tingka ha urisau jong snam arja phra bat ka jing themu ban pendep ya kani ke projek kalong ha ujemang jong snam arja khatwei.
We are still determined to complete within this year itself, 2021, even though this pandemic has affected very badly, but we are still determined. Let's see how best we can manage to recover up the time lost due to this pandemic. Now I think it has crossed 80%. It has crossed 80% by now, the physical progress. You see, the practical thing is that we have to damage the road. So in many locations we have to cut the road and put pipe inside, and then it has to pass through this defense land as well. And then of course such a long way, it has to cross many private land as well. Those are the problems which we have faced. but most of this program has been solved. With defense also is there, but for that, I'm telling that in case we don't get referral, we can implement the scheme.
And so the delay has caused the cost to go up.
Yeah.
How much? By how much?
That's why 65 crores for which this government has sanctioned that extra amount.
Usaling sangma ubalong u chairman jongka monitoring and implementation committee jongka sarkar jila ula therting e yakito ki bawanya ya u James sangma ubalong u menteri ketanat boarding ke jila Meghalaya da ka boong ba ka jingbam sab kadon habaro kitanat rekam nadu ketanat puli puthi ketanat marbam ketanat transport baki beki dia
Shushu usalang sama uloong ru badai ban wangkam yaki berang keti kentup yaki ofsar.
People used to talk about James when he was holding Home Minister. Now again he is being targeted after being, stripped off from the Home Minister. Why people are against the James, I don't know. Okay, people should also talk about the education scam. People should talk about the, the breach in, that Valley Bridge, which was already, damaged. And I would like to thank NHI, BRO, Nitin Gadkari and Preston Song for those who has already taken the initiative at least to look after this particular bridge. But who was the main culprit behind? Whether it was a contractor, whether it was the transport who allowed that overloaded trucks to fly over that bridge, what was the way of the bridge? All those things are there. Not only the James, it's getting fed up, every day. What about the FCI and all, food production? What about the, COVID? All those things are there. Lots of scams are there from each and every department. But why James is to be targeted every now and then? It looks funny actually. Very funny. Very, very funny actually. Why James? James was stripped from the Home Minister. Now again he was given this and again he is being targeted. I don't know. Why people are not targeting others? Industry. There's lots of, single window which is already been cleared. Lots of entrepreneurs were there. Yesterday I have seen our Chief Minister entertaining our, what do you call them? The entrepreneurs actually. Okay. What about those who want to do? Okay. In industry they are not allowing the, those who is already been released by the single window system. Why the department is still hanging all those things? Whether they need money to release the, what do you call this one? The one which is already been approved by the single window agency. Why it is like this? Why there is a lot of corruption in every department? They should see, they should terminate some of the officers. Huh? Why only the ministers? Those who are involved in the corruption, they should terminate. This is very funny actually.
Hadin kitu kubor ni sangye shwa shipor dang ya sa banying in swan phavya shphina banta ki kubor ki binasa. Mahamu Modi yaki Menteri Rangba halor ka jingwan ka third wave ne ka klam ka balai. Thu ka tanat khlaw ban pin riuspa yaki khlaw ki batab. Snok tilang ki nong yalam niam ban pin sotho yaki paiba. Na ying on pin shisha ki nong yo bai bam timmen ba yo pisa. Da ki spangut ki paiba lem bad UMDC ka mauhati ki mi ban maramot ya ka surok jari sha trai. Karai jong ka Supreme Court ka bansa kan mau halor ka jingakni port ka Assam bat Meghalaya. Bat kibe di kubor.
Guidance for early diagnosis and early treatment. Tested positive for COVID and have no symptoms. You have tested positive for COVID but have no noticeable symptoms. Here is what you have to do. Take the following precautions. Stay at home, wear a mask and maintain distance from other family members. Drink a lot of warm water and other fluids like soup and juices. Do steam inhalation. Do breathing exercises. Eat nutritious food. Medicines you must take. 1. Vitamin C. Dosage. Take tablet after food for 10 days. Adults, 500 mg tablet twice a day. Children 6 to 12 years of age, 500 mg tablet once a day. What to monitor? Keep an eye out for any symptoms such as fever or weakness. Consult your doctor or call 14410 if any symptoms emerge. Issued by Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya.
question the loss of a loved one. The grave seems so final and cold. Oh, but we'll meet again. Come on, man. Where death has no victory. In a land where we'll never grow old.
Tears will never stain the streets of that city.
Pidaya sabangi kari kasi channel ngi beteng biam dai ki khubor. Menteri Rangba do Jongkari India Narendra Modi ulama ham ting ya ki Menteri Rangba Jongki jela bapher halor ka jingwan salat biang ka klam coronavirus hakasian ka balai ne ka third wave. Kani ka jingmaha Modi ka longkat kum ka jiakran bat ki Menteri Rangba lingba ka video conference. Narendra Modi ula kintu eki bakin shimlut iki jiarap na barok kiliang kanang banla banyada na ka jingling shop biang kani ka klam.
During the meeting, the different chief ministers of the state presented their status and the report of their state. Accordingly, when it came the turn for Meghalaya, I mentioned about the fact that the COVID wave is something that we have seen in the past also hits the northeast after the rest of the country. So therefore, this was something that was in expected lines in one way. It gave us the time to also prepare in terms of our infrastructure and oxygen supply and other factors. And we are seeing that we are at a point where things are plateauing now. We have seen a steady decline, but the decline has not been at the rate that we anticipated, and maybe because of the fact that we have a lot of scattered population. In the dense areas, we have seen the numbers come up immediately and then it went down. But then in the rural areas, we are seeing that the spread has been more and has been kind of taking more time to come down completely. But we are expecting that in the next few weeks that things should look much better than what they are today. The positivity rate has come down below 10% for Meghalaya state. We are seeing 2 districts as of now which are seeing 10 plus percentage of positivity rates. But the big concern for our state still remains our vaccination drive, and we are still below the national average in certain cases. Therefore, we are pushing that in a mission mode. We have asked the MLAs, MDCs, we have asked the different religious leaders, headmen, civil society, and all to help and contribute towards how we could enhance the vaccination drive. And we have seen positive results in the last few days, but we are very hopeful that we will see the rates of vaccination go up even higher in the coming weeks and months. And we are hopeful that if we are able to pick up to about 20,000 to 25,000 vaccinations per day.
Usalang sangma MLA ubadan hagaliang sinshar babat dru yakakam kum ucaman jongka Monitoring and Implementation Committee ulat herting Ekatanat Industries da ka baong ba kadon hadu pala cispatali ki project ki baki samla ki la apply nagabentaban sengkam la jong.
Hendai kidan ki officer ki batrai hakatanat karkhana ki babat bot ai ki order ban sedang yakakam nakadaw baki kwa ban penbam pisal syuai ki. Ulong bakani kalak takjul ya ki samla trajela ki bakwa ban sengkam banyang halak jong kejan.
There's a lots of single window which is already been cleared. Lots of entrepreneurs were there. Yesterday I have seen our chief minister entertaining our what do you call them, the entrepreneurs actually. Okay, what about those who want to do? Okay, in industry they are not allowing those who is already been released by the single window system. Why the department is still hanging all those things? Whether they need money to release the, what do you call this one? The one which is already been approved by the single window agency. Why it is like this? Why there is a lot of corruption in every department? They should see, they should terminate some of the officers. Why only the ministers? Those who are involved in the corruption, they should terminate. This is very funny actually. Youths, and then lots of unemployment people out there who wants to show their skill, and then they have already applied for the single window, to be cleared, and then maximum of them has been cleared. But till that, I don't know why the industry department they are not issuing any kind of certificate or not issuing any kind of a go ahead to those who has already applied. You see, because after single window, they clearance only they will apply for the loan and all. But till now, since they have not cleared, okay, it's already been cleared by the single window. But the government they have not issued the department. I don't know why. What is the scam behind? I don't know.
Nakabanda kito kiba apply but yo jing menjur da ka single window agency ulakin tu bakin mi syahmat ban penpaw ya kacing sisa lani kila banyak kendu yo uru.
I would like to request all those entrepreneurs, those who has already applied and those who wanted to be entrepreneurs, okay, from the state of Meghalaya. I want them to come open. Where are your application is stuck, and then whether the single window agency has already cleared it, or why the industries are not doing it. So they should come openly. If required, you guys can call me also. We will see and deal the matter. Who are the officers who in it sitting in the chair, not issuing, or is it the government who is not doing so? So it should be very clear. So this is one of the scam, who is trying to manipulate, use the power, misuse the power. So I want all the entrepreneurs from the state who are unemployed, who have already applied for the, industry or some kind of, assistance, they should come out openly. How do you suppose a mere one single officers or anybody can, build a huge, nowadays just look at any new officers coming out, they buy car, they buy, they build house with no time. So, we only focus on one individual. Focus everybody, terminate everyone who are involved in it. Yeah. If I am corrupted, they should not vote for me next time. Oh yeah, what is there?
Kum kawai na kilat banya trelang reka beki pait ba u menteri ketenat cloud jong kesorkar jela u James Sangma manha ka khatlai tri mentau benai ulai kendo ya u naba bhata charji u ba Morning Star khong tha ba u ba Nicholas J Khar Nami banya kren halor ka kilat kelinti ki bathamai ban penthamai ki cloud ki batap ya kamei mariang bat rukum jo banya kren halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka sun beneng.
We are also looking in other more dynamic, legislation that we want to bring in. And this is to more or less transition ourselves from an economy which is based on agriculture. We are an agricultural economy right now. So my thought is, can we transition into a forest economy? Something that whereby we have so much of natural capital in terms of our forests, in terms of our biodiversity. Which has a certain amount of capital associated with it now in the global context. The world has now started looking at how this can be capitalized or monetized, our natural assets and the wealth that we have, natural wealth. So we are looking at that from this transition will help us to enable us to generate wealth just from our natural resources.
Unaba batachaji ubade u officer bala shong thaj jagatrat forest ula ajing mud badan ka mat penne pensai kirukam jangkiri hendai ki batte bat sham phang bha kumnu bania dai ki khlau ki ptab.
Our tradition was structured. How much sacred forest you have to keep, how much catchment. Today we talk of catchments. The Lao Lingdo, the Lao Niam, the Lao Adong, these were all kept separately where the sources of water will come. So we moved away from that. That of course with the economic and population thing. For all, irrespective of ownership, there is a clear Supreme Court judgment. You cannot say, this is my ticket, the trees are yours, the minerals are yours. Court has said, you take out the mineral, but you have to follow the MMDR. Similarly, you want to fell the trees, you have to retain that many number of trees and then use it for commercial use and go for replanting.
Uba Morning Star Khong Thao Nong Seng Jong Living Bridge Foundation ulong balade ka por biki khana puli ki de banda thung hi dala ki jong ki khti ya ki dien om tang wan chu puli hakikat ulong ru ba ki jing pan so thu pai ba shaphang ka ru kam ting kai ki jing keng jri de ki ru kam tan rai kanyara ban penne ya kariti ka dostor.
So we need to introduce a practical class where students can get a chance to do with their own hands. So I've been working with Brian Walang with his students for 2 years now. So like example Environment Day. So we took his students they're like 9-10 students, plus 9 plus 10. Not like class 6, 7s because they said, Brian said it's far place from my school, So it's hard for them because we have to just go for a day. They come by in the evening. So we need to take the elder students. So we took them to a forest where we teach them about the real environment, where they themselves experience, they feel the earth, they touch the water, and this is water. we read in book H2O, water, but we don't know what is that water. Right? So we need to do that. And we took students from Shillong College. So we teach them about the biodiversity, the importance of biodiversity in a village to protect, the animals, plants, and how the human beings can coexist, can connect. So like these kind of things, we need to practical.
Uba Nicholas J. Khanami unong seng jong ka partners of Playo, ulong bamenta ka tenrai kalado. Hindi na kabenta ban riya ka mariang, ngidan ka man phaibiyang shala ka tenrai, bat siya ki jingtip jing shampang jong ubarim baja.
Globalized in our way of looking at things, where we have forgotten about our traditional value system. When you're talking about conservation, when you're talking about bringing back the glory of forestry and environment, we cannot ignore our traditional value system. The Garo peoples are the ones who are still keeping it up. Khasis have already lost it. I might say it very bluntly.
Why do you say that?
For the sake that there are still, if you look at the way Garo people look at nature and the way we look at nature, there's a vast difference.
Okay, I know how we look at nature, but can you elaborate on how Khasis look at it?
I have, not that I've traveled far and wide to Garo Hills, but in my experience while I was traveling during my experience with NRHM, I was lucky enough to be able to travel the entire state.
Okay.
Because I was the host and I would go but the eco-activist in me always explored to see what is left of what we don't have in Shillong.
Walada ki babun ki baipat ki jilla jong kari India ki baladang hiar ka jingdon jong ki brio ki bayo pang COVID Henry ka Meghalaya ka long ka wai na ki jilla ka balang kiyo bha ka jingdon jong ki brio ki bayo ya ka ni ka khlam yakni lapan pawdi ki doctor jo katnar ka koi ka khia jong ka jilla ha ka je phliu jingmut bigla pathai khubor ha ka khatsan tere unai tung arja arpoi ha Anton Hall Hagani ka je phliu jingmut blapania de babi Solia director di IPR Laidon lang ka secretary IPR ikong matsudor war nongri u Dr Andreas Dingdo joint director DHSMI bar ki wei de ki doctor Nagliang ki doctor kila ai ke jingpan shai halor ke jingdon ki brio ki bangat ikani ke jingpang hadu menta nangta ki blaklat bar kumjuru halor ke jingya chaprang ke jing ai tikaya da COVID Nagaliang ki officer katna di IPR ru kila batai ki kam bakatrat tre kam kalale hakaban penshai bat pensngo thui ki paj ba ka jele persha yakani ka khlam Nagaliang ki nong tho khobor nalor bakila pan jingpan shai ling ba ki jingkali kila ai jingmur ru shika sarkar na ka banda ka jing tre kam ka bakham bha banya khun yakani ka jingpang
Still continue to work together and ensure that this message is spread to all the people right up to the grassroots level. So vaccination is the big way forward as we have seen in the presentation given. Our target is 20 lakhs, 25 sample plus. And we have achieved only, the people who have taken 2 doses of the vaccination is only a dismal 14%. Only 1,03,914 have been given 2 doses of the vaccine. And as you all know, giving first dose will give you just this, around 20 to 30% of protection. You are not protected at all. You still have to continue with all the precautionary measures. But it's only after you have given the second dose, 2 weeks after the second dose, that you can say that you are fully protected. But given vaccination will also not guarantee that you are not going to get a COVID. As Dr. Andres had said, those who have received vaccination can still get infected, but the severity is very less. No one who is vaccinated, that I can assure you, who has got 2 doses of the vaccine, no one who has been hospitalized will be required to be admitted in the ICU. Because at all the drugs that are offered in our state, no one who had been vaccinated died due to COVID. No one who had received 2 doses of vaccination died in our state. So that is ample, that is what we have to spread to the people also. Please don't be afraid of coming forward for vaccination. Please come and vaccinate. This will protect you, will protect your loved ones, will protect the people and the community.
Katanat kakot kakhia ringkat Chief Secretary Jong Kajila, kilapenlong yak video conference ringkat bat kinong yalam niam Jong Kajila, banyak keren halor komno ban weng yak kajing arta tien naki brio, kenang bakin shim yak katika kabanya dal persai ka kelam COVID-19.
Habai kren bikla pathai kubor Director Joka Health Service MI Dr. Amanwar ulay thu babaro kinong yalam niam kilapen pau baki kloy banya trailang ban penso thu iki pajba halor ka jimentoy ka jing IT ka.
The leaders of various faiths have also expressed their concern and have willingly expressed that they would give their hand of cooperation to enlighten the public on the benefits of vaccination.
Kilapan pauru ke jing diaw halor ke jing mi ki khubor ham saya kablak ta shikat de e barialam baklayu pajba u Dr. Amanwar ulo ang bara ke jes no tilang kinong yalam nyam ki kermen bakin la bandrat ding khong no ya ke jing tiang ki pajba ban sheme katika ula kerpar ru ikila pathai khubor ban ampan mi ki khubor ki be de beginu kinu ki brew ki ba ai ki jing tep ki babakla.
The ammunition and the food that you are providing to the people spreading wrong information is coming through certain mediums. My request is that we believe in something which is good. Don't allow certain people who do not understand make it bad. That is my appeal. That for every information that they provide to you which is false, which is against vaccination, kindly do not bring out in your newspaper, kindly do not bring out in your media. If that is what you do, then they will die a natural death. This wrong information will die a natural death.
Ulaban baka jingket clear ban yadai ki khlung ki khana ki bampala ban yo ikatika ka syong ha wei po wei unong syong shnong jong kajala.
The more the number of people come out for vaccination, the more you protect the young ones. The decision, the responsibility rests on each and every citizen. The decision and responsibility rests on each and every household. We as doctors, we have seen with our own eyes, communication has been provided to us of how a person who contracts the virus and who has not been vaccinated, if the course of the disease takes for the worse, then the outcome is always very sad.
Kaseng Hinyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization haga khat artarik mentau benai kalakentu ya ka sarkar bakan penjlan ya ka snem wat kam lani ya kata ka upper age limit na ka bentaki samla wat kam haga jala Meghalaya.
U President kanik seng ubadan bok dakhar ulapan pau ba ka jingtuna ki kam ki jam hapo ka jala kala bojing e ye ki samla ki bawat kam wat jam.
As we have seen, with extreme shortage of the government job in our state, even through various competitive exam is already a challenge for aspiring educated candidate who apply for jobs.
Ulapan paru hang ne bahak senam arja khatsau ka sarkar jong ka jila Karnataka kalapan kiwi ka senam yo kam yo jam kumta ulo ang balada ki ki jilla ki laban le ekani ka Meghalaya ru ka devan bot ikini ki nuksa na ka benta ki samla wat kam jong ka jila.
So we discussed with him and we talked with him related with this. So he assured us that he will call upon the committee. So up to 42 what we demand will he cannot be considered, but he said that by 37 he will try to talk with his concerned colleague and he will get back to us. relate with this.
Ulong ru bakaseng kala ai por shibna ya ka sarkar jala balada ka sngap kuman kaseng ka sashim de kiwei pat kilar kilinti.
So we will wait for 1 month. If they will not take any step, any decision, we have no choice but to call upon all our young youths who are willing to join us, hand with us, so we can march forward to demand our right.
Kinong elam ka rib hoy dorbar manha ka khatwei tarik mentau banai kilapin bana ba hakateo ka bakhat do jong niu banai ba menta kinsalet ban kiutit meet no sha secretariat ba banya kendo yo menteri rang ba ka jila konrad ke sangma bandawa pen ulong no ya ka jingdon ka man kintiu ka dan ya ka pathar khama administrative unit ya ka civil subdivision
yakni lapun sngau ha kejingelang ka bakhat do jong kinong elam ka rib hoy dorbar balalong homsning ha ka balawan man ajing kersan langru daki MLA bat MDC jong ka them rib hoy dusek bat dei hadin jingatai ka basani bha larai bane yakendo no yo menteri rang ba ka jila haringkat ki kot kisla ki babiang halor ka jingdai hok jong ka patar khama administrative unit ban kintiu no shak civil subdivision hagani ka jingelang lawan man aimin sim da Dr. Didi Lapang unong elam barat ba ka rib hoy kinong elam ka dorbar ki bakentup ya uba kensai RR makodo president uba RB Shadap Secretary ke MLA ke bakentup ya uba Meral Bonds im MLA ke Nongpo uba George Lingdo MLA ke Umroy ba Jason Saukmi Molong MLA ke Umsning ki Arngut ke MDC bakentup ya uba Charles Malngar uba Balaji Rani ki nong yalam nakathan jirang ki bakentup ya upa im Walang im ke Hima jirang bat kiwe lengba kani ke jinge kendo lang kariboy dorbar kalayatai saniru halor kiwe ki mat jingdawa ki berangkam kirki ki belapen pau lemba ke MLA ki bakentup kum ke jingpenangkam ya ki atli ke CNRD block ha omdan bat mahoti ban kintiu ke ru ya ka Eastern Ribhoy sya ka Civil Subdivision bat ru ka jingkentiu ka dan ya ka Umsning sya ka Civil Subdivision
yang nak ta ka Ribhoy sik barakoy bon kerusnam lailen kawai hadin kawai ya le kalau mentah kau ka Ribhoy dorbar ka dan khmat dolong ba ikan kaman ya ka Civil Subdivision ka ka top ya ka jirang khatafma area ya ka baladon lupa nadu ka asu unit lale bat kilara nang kaina hanapara kalau poi saja batat ma badang tu ladon bijing lawa bojor hadin ba government igala sedang ban intiu ya ki indong segi district pat segi bentar jaga din kala khairu sa kene kan yang hakaba garu darbar kala hai ya gidin angnut jangka ya jingle jangka kalau bun husna dengan nandang sibun markum woi nabi Rival Islam, pelorong rembah, akhirong rival, na sungutenak bayo lat penedon rangkat pokok rival akan ada isu yang ke Civil Subdivision, buat ni persian kekodok yang terjangkang dan hanya Presiden jangan buat rival, buat arah saya makdok, dan yang ujian sendiri ni arti sedang, dan malah lagi naik katuk yang timat, sedang siok punya suruh berbuat, dan besar, besar.
mat kebakongsan kebangi layakan negasi ngalong ban kersian ban dawa ban kerpa di sarkar ban penyok loy na wika Civil Subdivision ya kan ga patma administrative unit malawang kita jemi dan alar kota ru ni dalam ni bakinang khmat jemi MLA MDC kalbakidon lakidon bakal ru tikini ki MLA ru jengin nak kijong ki konstituensi kumba George Lingdo MLA jong Umroy lapan pau ba kajingdan kam ba ka than Umroy berumbong kan yo hil ka jong ka Civil Subdivision pada kajuk ko por banang sedang no na redu ka administrative unit kunjuk ba Jason bala dakan lang ru ba diba RB Shadap General Secretary jong ye kajing dei ba ka Umsning kaneru mar ba kan Umsning block ke block Rahim Tam kan po state Meghalaya jong bat naga consider na baro kiliam ke area kejing he kejing bunbreu ki kiru kilap MLA lokal MLA bat kejing kersian yang bawres RB Sadap General Secretary jungi yang kinir bidan kam ban yo ka Civil Subdivision iba Charles Malngar kum MDC jongka Umawati constituency itaru ila keren dan matakan Bu Ahmad yang berborder bar ban kersian lemban yo ya kasih di blok apa umumnya konstitusi kaba ila kreu bu bakah kathan mau hati kunjuk iba Meral Bon MLA badan borom jong tanako konstitusi lakian yang kidingdon kam ban yo sakawai kasih di blok bat sibun pat di head of department kum SE jong kapilidi road but face jong ka building PWD building ka yang bidikot bidingkia babon ki hospital man kantino ki sa ki kadan ki ba kham selo gine bara ki isu ka riboi darbar kan nyarap kan ai ki Christian ka barat ba ya kini ki local MLA jungi aki respected constituency jungi ba kerwoi darbar ka kwa ban develop ya kerwoi haki bantag ba khe tingai kumle ya ki idan ru ki ba pebro tandring e ga daw ba ki peb ni la ke ban ong ke ka syong ki tandring ki ni ba lawan ki ba ai ni trelang ba kerwoi darbar ka balong tang maka ka seng ka ba dawa ya ka administrative unit apa tu kor kalayo dawa man Kiperdan subdivision civil subdivision riboi layo bat ka ju ka ni ka seng kabala dawa ro ban penyo ka district ka riboi ka layo te ka riboi darbar ka nang teng bat ai ni sakri ka dong riboi ka riboi akalyang yang development bat ban mandra ro ya ka roi ka par pakantup ro ya ka jing syang suk susan ko yang ka district
Kejengwang jong kini nong ikhmat jungi akan ikasni melalui omong presiden lalu advisor ini kalau misalnya orang putra akan mengilala pendep lagi ketuk lagi kam di bakia dan kam akan jingi deh bat kene ka besar kema administrative unit ya ka bangin dawa manta man upgrade ka syaka civil subdivision kam deh isu ka kam ka bangi suya but tenang ya ka wei ya ki wei ba kilayapan Henry ganele le kala day hok banyo nadu kumbalai pas nam chua nila long diu ha banyo eka bad ya ganele jingki kala day nadu ka por long chief minister jong iba jadi rembai rong ya yakran igi Henry hangno ka poy kata ka jing yakran ngam dala su ban budin bad ganele ka kam kade kali bodor par ka baju ya senran ya ka western riboy dorbar nadu tu isnam ro kala sedang banwan kerbat yang ikum ka Riboi dorbar menyerap lem ban penulong ya kan yang temu. Te bat halor kan ya kan orem. Haka jingwan jong chief minister haka katnya utarik jong upna Januari. Hajar kat kendai hangne hapo secret house nopo. Chief minister Konrad Sangma ngila ayak merendam haka tur. Haka ba kinong ikmat jong baru sanmut kidan lut. Kamtami bak sotun we na kinong ikmat jong te jirang. Kila idorang kat hak besngi bat ka memorandum ka bangi ai hak tu besngi kalong ka wei nak kimat ki mahkamat du kalong na ka banta bat upgrade ia ka neka tar kama syaka civil subdivision bat hak ju ka perlu ya ki wei ki kam ki dan kam ki dei bat ka neka kam kari bodor bar na ka por syaka por kala syong bunsin ya ki committee bat hak bangi ya syong ha ki committee ni khot ya no ru Henry tang para dekot ni syong bat kane kaskin ke bamenta ka bang ibu amenta kasni kade kasni ha ka bang ikwa bagi nom ikmat baru kini poilon diskusi badan gina pedeng jong kita nom ikmat jong laban poi dengengi skam bawan kita ke bagi bompoi ru hindre idan keju ka mesin banyak kerjaan bagi nak benta kane ka jing temu ke barat ba te nang don nalor ki we ke molong nang ki basakmat ya ke jing tawa ke jongi tamu kita rukin long ke we na kimat ke bangin bu akmat jong sarkar namar bangi ha ka dong ribhoi inang don kam sibun banio ya ke jingdon kam nadu ka por bai Dr. Didi Lapang ila song thai niu i kum bangi la sa pun suat namar bangi don kini no ikmat jongi Henry Bapli ha ka ta ka jinglong nong ikmat jong ki bai dang khna ki badang kham somla ki dang persiang menta bagi jing trestom jong ki niu i sya kila trei ba Henry kidon kaman yo ya ke jialam jong ki riurim teda ke jing don jong Dr. Lapang manta kasni ka anu simru ya ke mat jongi bat yang ngilang baro mengila menjob ya kan ke jing temu
nama hak ke sedang tinggi bandung kum keri boy darbar ila yo wer ki MLA ki nong ikmat jongi ki MLA ki MDC lagi sangut laingot kila ya boy mat ki ai lagi tong ka jingmut kadai kasni ke bahasa akan mau ngong nama nilai rung akan dijingnya shong meeting kawi ga agenda kolong ban upgrade ya ka patak kema administrative unit syaka subdivisional level kendrai maki kita nak jong ka agenda ka bagi wanda ki pengi ya ke jing sanya ke jing slow scam halor ke jing dam khamat juga ri boy dan ko men jong ka umroy ba George ila penpang Jadi tinggal kam juga konstituensi jui kumi ba Melbourne, kunju kumi ba Charles, mo iba Jason kila pepal kita minta jeng singi jugi. Kinjin dala balik dala de, kita kepepal ba kidon kata gigi syania ya kali bawa darbar ki wanda ini isu jugi ba fair banbu khmat kali bawa darbar bahkan champion bahkan lam khmat ya kene ka kam. Tegade ke singi pun sak kenal le saya balada dia. Begini kita wanda jugi isu kidur long hadir. Kene ke singi bala bet di hutau sumbai yo ke terang tadi. Kulen.
In committee jangka darbar ribhai lembat kinong nikmat ya kaman ya kren ya kani betam kabaya pe jangka jinkin tiu ya ka pathakma administrative unit saka civil subdivision kani kalong ke ike ikaba ni nantai naka dong western ribhai nilaya kmilati nilaya amnut wala ki host them ta in re semla ban penlongkam ya ka adu tingidap ta ke jinkmen ka ba khrau ba mentang niyo iba kadorbar ribhai rangkat bat kinong nikmat miladon akaju galanti ya gaban gawabe na sarkar balade dan upgrade no ya kani civil subdivision lada ya kiwe kichaka lala ban create wa di district di block ki batumai de ya ka pathakma administrative unit ka bala slamba lade ho ya gaban kinti ya ka saka civil subdivision.
Hadirin kita kubur ngenya sange biang sa shipang ngena senawan pai shapi yai sab ngena bentai kini kubur ki berasa. Na ying on pen shisha ki nong yo bai bam temen ba yo pisa. Da ki spangut ki pat ba lem bad UMDC ka mau hati ki mi ban maramot ya ka surok jari sha trai. Karai jong ka Supreme Court ka ban sa kan mau halor ka jinga kini put ka Assam bad Meghalaya. Bad kibe di ki kubur.
Guidance for early diagnosis and early treatment. Tested positive for COVID and have no symptoms. You have tested positive for COVID but have no noticeable symptoms. Here is what you have to do. Take the following precautions. Stay at home, wear a mask and maintain distance from other family members. Drink a lot of warm water and other fluids like soup and juices. Do steam inhalation. Do breathing exercises. Eat nutritious food. Medicines you must take. 1. Vitamin C. Dosage. Take tablet after food for 10 days. Adults, 500 mg tablet twice a day. Children 6 to 12 years of age, 500 mg tablet once a day. What to monitor? Keep an eye out for any symptoms such as fever or weakness. Consult your doctor or call 14410 if any symptoms emerge. Issued by Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya.
question the loss of a loved one. The grave seems so final and cold. Oh, but we'll meet again. Come on, man. Where death has no victory. In a land where we'll never grow old.
Tears will never stain the streets of that city. Sing everybody.
Kita ipit yang ikut kasih channel, ngenya betai-betai ki kubur ki berasa. Kesorkar jela manhaga khatsan terik mentau benai kala pelait dak app lani ka kenjakor kenang ba kitu ki bayo ya ka bai bam temen kin penon kam ling ba ki mobile phone ki jongki ban yo ya ka te ka pisa bai bam temen ki jongki.
Kani ka app bala pelait the menteri rangba ukon ke sangma kan long ru kum ka certificate jing pechisha kabla tip kum ka pensioners life certificate verification da ka bashandur ya ka khman. Kani kan yarab ya ka sorkar ban tip ya ki bayo pension la ki dang im la ne ki la khlan. Na kaliang menteri rangba ula penpau ka jing spokesman ba ka NIC kala la ban chnai kani ka app ka ban pensuk ya ki nong yo bai bam temen ba kim nan kam shu ban mi na la yeng la ne lecture office Henry kin chipadan kam bai da kani ka app na yeng kham tam hukum kani ka por badan ka jing pang khlam.
And I see that with the kind of technology that's available in the market today, we can go to the level of ensuring that almost every service can be provided to the people without them having to visit any of the offices. So this is how technology has helped us and enabled us to literally transform the entire administration and governance. And today's example that we saw is something that is of great help.
Daki spangut ki pa nong shong shnong jong kathan jari bat trai ke Ribhoi district ringkat bat UMDC ka Mauhati constituency menha ka khatlai terik mentau benai kilami pat ba ban maramot hi ya ka surok na jari sho trai namar ka jing e ka ba ki pat ba ki kandu khamtam ha ka te ka benta jong ka surok ka balas new khamtam e ha ki por liur
Kalalong ke ka ba sosi aduk kata banyu i ki pat ba nong shong shnong jong bagi syam jenjar kimat ki jing e ha ka lek kawan ki jong Mencem senam ngiladon gejing emi kendiat atau gejing trelang bat ki samla ki jongi hang ni kenrei mentau senam ru na gejing ya kendu jing e jongi nok sok senong ki jongi na kaliang ke jonga ngamla bat supet lagi kemat ibor ibarit bangang adon itu ipi bang la suai ki jing kerpat sabar kirang bat senong ki badan hakani katany trai Syakiseng samla senong nang ta syakinongnya kali bat kitrai kali nasu keman si gadai e hadin gajing pentip ka bakerki ke batang lais ni kumbasis pak tami e layami ki pat ba bani trai kani kesni kidon ginong elam senong gabi ke jongi ginong elam jong giseng samla oh kitrai kali bat kinongnya kali
Lesakhi akan dihadin bagi pajak kimla show bansha ek jingmenti jong board ki badai pet jong kesorkar jela kamtam ketenat PWD.
Wan krang hang ne baton besitom mot boleh bu sya moker baton dong tuai dan marpa kasnu palak surok hang ne dak poin ne sakut pet lakti lut kalir lakti tu pila ihi gunong pang te lakmi la apsakmat dalak dep tu JSB tengil mudlek yang belum kit nak sistem ke.
Tekmi kono wije nasional.
Komtahin yang sistem prabaje ekran.
Temtal adap kadar bajir.
Akan tak bila sakurangnya. La selam ken namar ngemi kumtan nyo sistem prabaje talat mental kadar peng talat don ceki sau penta duna kan.
Episode kumno ba sni surok kumne.
Takan ngiten ong sukuno namar ngitem don borejere setang lada ka sarkar kay ikumne talada kay isnei bat lilat linti ngi kamtam hakapang sistem te setang kata.
Yakani ke jingmara mod yakani ke surak ke badai ke than ke basibanta ke hab hamawati constituency, basibanta pat hanongpo constituency, UMDC ke mawati uba Charles Marngar ula beye ke jinglut jingsep da ke jerap langru UMLA ke nongpo constituency uba Middle Bonds aim.
Kumunong mi kmat obarit. Kular gi pai ba banyadon senda. Ban ngani don senda. Ban ai ke jingit relang. Na ke benda ke jington kam ke jongki. Jenraya mantahi ngasuthu. Bat leng bajong ni ke kubor ngayawer. Iki pai ba nong sung jong kamau hati barok ko wei ke bangi mat jing ek kumni. Kadon kam yangi bangi don ke jing suthu jumut ki paranong trei. Haki senong ki thau ke seng samla. Namar ngi suthu ba. Ngim la laj ke jing trelang. Namar ba ngila sya iben. Hapo ke konstituensi ke jong.
UMLA ke maulai constituency uba PT Saukme menhaga khat treatment tau benai ula ai jing rap daka song pisa syaki santali ki school ki badan hapo ka than ka wei ke deka Christchurch Higher Secondary School maulai selai karya wa sautali pat ki school ki badan ha maulai nongkwar ki bakentup ya ka Church of God Ecclesia Higher Secondary School ka Saint Khasi maulai English School ka Grace Care Academy Secondary School bat ka Nongkwar Presbyterian Secondary School.
Ha Christchurch Higher Secondary School, UMLA ula IT hakakti Presiden ke Managing Committee uba Alexander Siem, ha Church of God Higher Secondary School, hakakti Principal ikong Shakila Jana, ha Saint Khasi Maulai English School ula IT ha Principal uba Pencingan Lang Longbri, ha Grace Care Academy Secondary School ha Principal ikong M Sotun, bat ha Nongkwar Presbyterian Secondary School, UMLA ula IT ha Presiden ke Managing Committee Reverend I.S. Rochnong. Ha syuagani Hakasing sejad UMLA ula ajing yarap song pisaru ya school ha umsaw maujin rong bala ai syakinong ikai ka umsaw RCLP school jong kabalang Catholic ka Presbyterian Lower Primary and Upper Primary School bat ka umsaw maujin rong Lower Primary but Upper Primary School ka badai ka school chinong haba ajing kren UMLA ula penpau ya kajing song binyao babun ki school hamolai bat kum juru ha kajala borok kawai kimyo asyu ban siwhok ya kitop kinong ikai khamtam ki school shimet ki basanya ha ki bai school jong ki khna kimi kipa kidai bansi bat kini kimi kipa ki manjing e namar ka khangdam nakadau covid khat khandai
Hakarai kabala banlong kawai na kirai ki badon kampha hakabai dei baka jingya kni put hapdeng ka jala Assam bat Meghalaya mena ka khan rizri mentau banai ka Supreme Court jongkari India ka lapan mi ya ka hukum ban pan jing shai na ka jala Assam hakabai dei bat ka jingkantur put ka jongka sha put Usam ka jala Meghalaya lingba ka jingte ka Assam State Transport Corporation ya ka depo ne ka jaka pensangya bus hathem marwet
ka Supreme Court ka lapan mi ya ka ne ka hukum mat lo ka jing ujor jong itra jo kate ke jaka ikong New Yearly thank you ibsong ibasa apo nongse bat ibadan ke jaka hangthi apo thamarwet halo ke jongon kanturpot jong Assam naru kini kisnam ki baradep ka Assam hadu banta kala shana yakini ki yingisam ki bang ki office ki ban penangkam ka Assam State Transport Corporation nakaliang jong ka riket channel kala yo banyakren ba we ni ki khun jong kong New Yearly uba national thank you ubretu khamba halo kini ke jongon kanturpot jong Assam ba ke jing penmi jong ka Supreme Court yakini ko hukum ba nathaniel ngi ba ka Supreme Court mutakasni kala ai notice ka Assam ni dari batu ka jaka jo fita pot thamarwet pula mata ni nda han kom nu ka Assam kon snai ka to ka dipon tu naklen fi han kom phia poi wan company ni ka Supreme Court mo
ko blai subon mo ka ba wan kong kwa an pensai kong yapi kanang ba pinsu thu bar khaj mo ba ka tu ka jaka apa ba wan manta ka ni ka order apa lo Supreme Court kali jaka jong email jong kam ni jong jaka kan sedian email ai bentai nga sedian rei ka sakmat kali ka jaka ka ba lan sakmat kala sim kali jaka jong email te ka ni jaka jong email te kani ka Assam ka Shwan encourage beng to te ka nak slang wan encourage na 2016
hai
na kaliang jongi na ai ringkat ka jing trai lang bagi dor parsnong khana para thamarwet nang ta de usiam jong ka right marwet te kumjuru usiam liam waktu kopor te na kaliang jongi board jong ka district council tingin apan sange 2016 kalong successful 2016 ya rang tu hadin 2018 tu kislang biang encourage biang gini Assam
hai
ke sedang ban encourage ka tu jaka nomor waktu ka jaka ka hapo ka kali ka bagi la da register gen kamde ka jaka jong nuru ka da register na do 1954 kali ka jaka ai pa ye jongi
di register bad bakaswari
register apa DC office nong po ngi register din long ka jaka ka kod jaka ka ladan na do 1954
hai
ti pai long ka dei ka family property jongi kai jongi ka wa her pateng ai me jongi then after that ki 2018 ki Assam glass lang biang tingila dai level stop na kaliang jong district administration ru disiru kila sim khia ka to kala stop gitu kila bilai kan lu ge kila sange then suddenly apo 2019 ti glass lang biang tingi to por ngila I complain to DC tingi I kum jur sa district council tingi ki rong bas nong sto ki rong barang ba dong ki CM bro khaj ngila elect tu ngila apo 2019 tingi tu ngila ang sange ang tam ta andai suddenly nei apo wangi ngim tibe apo ka dengan jani lockdown kilong massive construction ki slang tu massive construction tingi tibe ru hadin ki report gitu nomor kita kinong songwai bi jongi yang tu ni ke ti dan kinong songwai tu ki report singi dan after that tingi tip kita berkhot tingi la complain sa DC tingi la inquiry berkhot tingi complain sa district council ru ki la pha ki inquiry pha berkhot dan kami ka flare up kini ka social media kini ki berkhot dan after that pada tingi last tu bang imla ban ni trend ban ni Assam rum sabi tingi email pada la rai ba lengba ka jingya yu ber consult bagi ni lawyer ba ka bha bagi lecha Supreme Court te mentasi long ka ba sutanat ba mentasi na kaliang jong ka Supreme Court kala permission ka order kala notice ka Assam government ba ka encourage ka ka one snai gini ki jaka ka ba dei ka spur som jong ka Meghalaya ka
kat kum ka jingpet yang frimo kini ki jaka ke basna ka Assam ka kan no person e thegla dab ke jingsna juki
ka jingsna hang tu almost dari bang nim lap kloi ni mut klali katai la completion rais lungbok gidang sudah ban penyang tangki foundation te kila sedang ban tei kan ro urut tu mengilayo ban stop nomor mana kaliang jong CM ro la simkia kaliang jong CM na kaliang ru chief secretary nomor ngila to chief secretary jong kami kala tunjur na kaliang jong district council ro kila simkia kila to urut sa po government then kaliang jong DC ro kila simkia mta te kila open stop almost try 50% ni kidang dap ki
kini jaka kat kembut ko order juga Supreme Court kalong kemba life for just fit nai
yes hai
bagian kemba si spatuli gilong gi ngebranto
ndai kumta kini ke jaka ngani tu pi kadai ko ba ka encourage ka Assam kalong tang life for just square feet kali tang life for just square feet ka ba ka long forcefully kalong illegal kai commission ni ka yu ka Assam ka STC mo kasi na gitu ki boss dipu gi jong ka te ka jaka actually ka jaka jong email kalong kumba total area kan kalong kumba 257,000 square feet
no ka jaka ke ba increase balong kumba life for just square feet
out of that 217,000 square feet nai 217,000 square feet te ka encourage ka Assam kumut kalong tang life for square feet kai
lengba kan ka jeng interview ka court mas Supreme Court kai ke jeng fi computational komunikasi halo kan ka jeng control ka Assam kai ka significant jong ka kai
kini long kani ka jing ayu jong ka Assam lai kamdei ka ba tangi kani ka jaka jongi kidi giwi jaka ba paramarjan jongi ru kale bi kumne ka lengkong ki try so ki pha ki breu jong ki kumto mo ngem te ka pha maka ne kamne ki pha ne ki wan hi ki breu ru ne ki yo jing pet nong no ngem la man te be kata rai kadi kala long ongoing from mentana do nomor ngili wa ngali ku basan bangi pet tadi kani ki thames ti sapo kari bhoi bar ko wai ne almost entire boundary kani ki border sapo Assam nei kini ka Assam ka pha mai kumto ne to ka pha ka Assam ki wan hi ki breu kumte rai na kaliang jongi pat gi le kan kono ru ki games kap te kan ni muntasi kalong kasi ka ba sa jing kan mau ngi ba ka bench ka ba Supreme Court ka notice ya kan ni kan stop bai gi berkat gi stretch bot
kamu kan yarap ru ka wede ba ka je report ka Assam ka ne fi kum no fier ko ne
nga kerman sibun ba lengba jo kane kan yarap sibun nomor ba ngi kum ki try ja kafi nomor ba teng pinai simtang hapo ka level jong ki government level jong ki long kita ki chief secretary ne ki kumta secretary level ki ke nrai da film involve kini ki stakeholder ne mot mangi ki try ja ka ke kam lon jumut kan nrai ngi ki long ki try ja ka ki ba suthu sha yo pur sama jong da ka involve kum ne teng kerman ba lengba jo kane kan play lat ki giwi kin wan sakman bat kani ka long ka nuksa lesi kan wan ka jingjob yangi bar khaj umri tang yangi mei jang ri ka jabri bar ko
ka project clean surrounding ringkat ka jingke treilang bat ki katu kaningut ki riu shimen kelali hia sa shakashnong maroit bat maram ki bahab ha west khasi hills district na ka benta ban no jingyarap shakitu ki long yeng ki baduk bat ki bashem jing shitom hakum kini ki por
Hagani ka jing ai jerap ka bakin thup iki marba mardi ki jhur bat ki wei la ai ru ringkat lang bat shi tan rai ding haman la ka yeng ka jing thmu jong ka project haba ka ai ki di ki tan rai ding ka long bat pene pensa ka maryang thnang bengin yo ek le air kam khoj basuba
Pi gini kita riding ro kita gi bangi on po forest department. Kaya ka message ka badan lor kani ka long ba ka wei ka yeng ka dei ban lo kumno ka dei ban thung si riding ni la de la le po riding ba ka message ka long ba pi manta ke di gini ki por corona ki di ki por mo ki pollution certificate di kali gini kita tingim tip kal air ka long kumno ndai ban penne pensa ya kata ka clean air clean environment with the hope of having a better environment for the kids or our kids in the future. They nakataka nongrem ngin bang isa sedang kani kajing thungdiang namar pinapej man hakani ru tu nyomer hante ru la pom diang tu podang pom nu pom su pinapej man ta gini kajing snai tu ki surak furlien Shillong ti all the way to Joy all the way Shanispo West Khasi Hills kini kita ru pi bakila jot bon ki khau tam. At least we can do something in a small way kan with that in mind tingi sasdang kani thungdiang ru namar kam don jingmon lada phi don kani ka saudong sopun ka bkhoj nri kal air ka bajbo kam don jingmon e kata so when you say clean earth clean environment it have to be clean from all aspects
Kumban chupan kan mau ka project clean surrounding hapo ka jalami ba Jeff Kinjing kradab bansa mi gini ki jerap shikwei ru ki long yeng ki barakiwei ki district ki bakin thup ikari boy district ki East Khasi Hills West Khasi Hills but Southwest Khasi Hills district
hakani ka sian pan I kadon nga jingterpat na kato katne giliang bat kumjuru hamtam lele sini spo West Khasi Hills mayrang bat kata sakamau maram ngin ngampat jupoy ti lemba ka jingirap jong ki paralok bat jingeno senyang nakaliang pisa nakaliang tiar katar bat kumjuru nakaliang jong Khasi channel ti bat taking all these things into consideration they okay will ngin le biang session dengan sayong ngumta session ngam tips kanusin te one day at a time ngai kumbayalam banajrong te katahi
Shobangin pinkut ngin pinsko biang shapi ye ki mat ki bakong san sa session onye kren halor report usam ka ILP bat HNLC bat kiwe hakapor bawan Amit Shah Priang kiseng hapo ka MDA yakarai jong ka sarkar Kabamsap kadon haman laki department balik no tangyau James Ong U Saleng Mahamu Modi yaki menteri rangba halor ka jingwan ka third wave ne ka klam ka balai Thu ka tanat klau ban pendrius pa yaki klau ki petap Snok tilang ki nong yalam niam ban pensulku yaki pai ba Na ying on penshisha ki nong yo bai bam temmen ba yo pisa Daki spangut ki pai ba lem bad UMDC ka mau hati kimi ban maramot ya ka surok jari sha trai Karai jong ka Supreme Court ka bansa kan mau halor ka jing kini port ka Assam bad Meghalaya Bad kibe di kubor Bad kitu ngin penkut no ya kan ka thup kubor kan ka tiyo menta ngin sia syam biang bad phi ha ka tai kubai bad ka tayo ka banwan kublei phi baro patyaso